In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new general ledger account in Xero. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or a small business owner managing your books, adding new accounts to your chart of accounts is an essential skill that helps keep your financial records organized and accurate. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account. Once you're in, direct your eyes to the top menu bar and locate the option labeled Accounting. Click on it, and this will open a drop-down menu where you need to select Chart of Accounts. Think of this section as the backbone of your accounting system. Here, you can manage the structure of your financial data. With the Chart of Accounts open, look to the top right corner for a button that says Add Account. Click this button to begin setting up your new ledger account. Now, the first decision you'll need to make is selecting the account type. This could be an asset, liability, equity, revenue, or expense. The choice largely depends on your business needs and the kind of transactions you intend to record. Once you've determined the account type, the next step is to assign a code to your account. This code serves as a helpful tool in identifying and tracking the account with ease within your system. It's crucial that the code is unique and aligns with any sequence or numbering system you might be using already. After the account type and code, it's time to give your account a name. This name should be descriptive enough to communicate the account's purpose at a glance. A clear and concise account name is invaluable, as it will minimize confusion as your business grows and as your financial data becomes more involved. Additionally, while it's not mandatory, you have the option to add a description to your account. Providing a description can offer additional clarity about the account's use, which is particularly helpful if multiple people are tasked with accessing or managing the accounts. As you proceed, you'll need to select the appropriate tax rate for this new account. It's essential for all transactions associated with this account to record the correct tax information. Consistency here is key to meeting your overall tax obligations accurately. Once you've filled in all necessary details, take a moment to carefully review your entries. Ensure everything looks correct before you go ahead and click on the Save button. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new general ledger account in Xero. This process is a fantastic way to keep your financial records up to date and tailored to your specific business needs. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has made your accounting tasks a little bit easier.